Hi, Fred here for another Tuesday Tent Talk. Welcome back. I haven't talked to you guys in a while, and I have personally just got back. We just got back from New Orleans, beautiful New Orleans. Had some good jambalaya and some crawfish down there, folks. And we were down there at ARA, the American Rental Association. What a great show. It was great to see all our customers that were through the New Orleans area. Our staff did a great job with a nice Stillwater frame tent with some cut metal on it, and it looked great. And thank you to my team and everybody that stopped by and saw us, and the team at ARA for putting on a good show. I know they got a new member, Deb, on their team now, and it really showed in the show. Deb, you did a good job. A little call out. So we're back in New York, and we wanted to talk to you today about a couple of events that are coming up in the middle of March. These two dates, so let's get them clear. Monday the 18th and 19th of March. So let's go over the 18th. We are doing our sewing class again that we did last year that was very successful, and you guys had asked us to please do another one with a little bit better time, and we did that. So we have picked March 18th. The deadline for this to register was February 1st, but I have 2 more machines left, so I can take 2 operators and 2 assistant operators in it. This class is totally filled up for people that already have a machine that want to view it. I'm sorry, I like to keep the class small enough that we can really talk to you in a group. So the machine, let's talk about it. So if you're not familiar with it, please give us a call. We can send you a flyer, or it's on our Facebook page, the sewing class for March 18th. It's the old Seco machine, LU563. This is the newest version right here in front of us. It's a walking foot with a large bobbin, forward and reverse. We do about a 6-hour class. I teach the class with 2 of our other sewers. We'll go through the whole machine, how to put the needle in, how to do the bobbins, how to sew forward and backwards. If you've never sewn or you're an advanced sewer, you're going to take something away from this class. If it's something that you want to add to do repairs or make something in your operation, what a great class. The cost of that show is $27.50. That includes the machine, table motor stand, the class, and the lunch for the day. If you have another person within the company that wants to come with you to sort of sit in on the class, it's $50 to take the class. Like I said, we have 2 spots left for that. March 18th, separate from Mattress Spring Training. This is an event put on just by Fred's Tents. So the 18th, still that Monday, we're talking about Matra welcome reception at Franklin Plaza. This is a paid ticket. We are hosting. Let me give you a little bit more background. I jumped ahead of myself a little bit, but I wanted to stay in the time frame. On March 19th, we are opening our building up to Mattress Spring Training here. We're really excited about this. We're going to open up the whole plant. You're going to see from our fabric side to our metal side to our print side, a little under 90,000 square feet. We're going to open it up. We have teaching seminars that day, hands-on experience, plant tour, a beautiful luncheon that we've got planned. If you are interested in coming to that, please go to matramembers.org and register for the show. We'd love to see you there and go over, ask us questions, see the plant, and learn what your peers and other people are doing within the industry. That is March 19th. March 18th, that is that welcome reception. If you get in the night before, you can see that on matramembers.org and register for that ticket. If you're interested, and I'm backing up again, I apologize, to the sewing machine, if you are interested, please call in and give us a credit card. It is first serve on that. We have 2 spots left. If you're interested, call in. We'll get you signed up. Doesn't matter if you've never sewn or you've sewn for years. I think you can take something away from that class. So 2 great days of education. Fred's Tent Sewing Class, Matra members, Matra Spring Training on the 19th. Look forward to seeing you. For Fred and another Tuesday Tent Talk. See you next week at TTT, WeMakeTents.com.